Inflate the feeding box. Align the groove of the feet with the raised part on the top of the feeding bucket hole, and then insert it directly. Our feeding buckets can be placed in 3 different ways. One of them is to hang the handle using an S-shaped hook like this. Another method is to secure it using those 3 squares that are spaced 3.8 inches apart, no matter which of these 2 methods you use. For the water dispenser, you need to install a nipple-type water dispenser on this side and remove the leak-proof bowl. The last method is to simply lay it flat on the ground. Finally, you will set up an attractive and functional feeding set.